Because one time gone back, me and everybody cuss on social media. Me and Jenny them cuss would say we worst thing to one another, job ask them the worst thing to one another. Even blood clot she, me and she put it down over there for years. She bothered them, hard type of them. And I first me encounter them a brutal attack. I know why it hurt me the most as somebody when they with them a feed. Somebody when they run them a feed them. That's why it hurt me the most. And I only make me can't trust people because me can sit down for 12 years and feed you. And you can do me all of these things. When you do with somebody coming in for 1 month or 2 months, people say I'm afraid that you're run. You're evil. You're not done. You're not done. You're not done. You ever want to come on the media and try to prove what kind of point? I want to work here. I don't live for the media. But I live up to people's expectation because the people expect say you for bring down Roselaee and then all dirty eye freaker come talk about me a bitter baby mother. Use a bitter baby father. And you only do these things to like your kids them hate you. And them are gonna realize long enough. I mean I go up their mind and I'm gonna see it and realize how bitter you are towards me. I'm gonna see it. I wanna put them hate to you soon no. I used to look about them barber. Him say I know everything. Don't worry yourself. Me I get the winning Sam today. Take it. Take it. I win is a winner you win. Yeah, because all in a Jake's pathetic mind, yeah, I would try to get to Rose. Even I keep the last, I'm saying, oh, yourself, man. It's just be him. Always, I got try, you can't get to me. I lost the feed on my feed, you know. And the turn out, and at the end of the turn out, come be a back and belly rat. And it's so ironic when it happened. Oh, Akim, I want Rose. Akim has showed me love more than even Jake somebody else for 12 years. Yeah. He has shown me more love and sympathy and patience more than a man when I deal with it for 12 years where I try to get to me. Every chance him get him try get to me. Every chance I get a try to do this. Every chance I get. You would even say, boy, lower that alone. Lower, I'm just stay. I'm putting them mother. And if you are trying to sink, you're putting them mother. You don't even love your kids. Cause all of the years when you beat me and do me the things them, me never got one time I got a station and me never follow it up. One time. You chop me, my mama for bathe me, you chop me, my mama for come bathe me. My sister testified tweet. Oh, when my one just chop your mama for bathe you. You don't argue with them. Me. I don't argue with them. Me. But me not good enough for. Me not argue with them. From God be for us who can be against us. When I go through, when I go, when I left tears come out of me, I made just shed it. Simple. I go argue with the fact. I go come argue with them. I not argue with them. Me not argue with them savage, you crazy. Me not argue with that soul. Any wins when I make him take it, then me have him winnings. that just to show you say you just feel like say you control my happiness. Me try multiple ways to make this work and it not work out. Try to talk to you. It not work out. You try to control girl happiness, you can't control it. Sometimes we have to shed tears because we're a human being. I will let go of the past a long time, but we just show the world say you can never feed some of these people because they're ungrateful down in the long run. When I argue with you, I don't argue with you. Because what? You were willing to get up this man and say you call CDA. When I call CDA, people never go back in our homes. Do you make any sense? All the people there are too long. They're my kids. And why you always want to use them against me? And then I come say, I'm busy with them. Oh, she ate I pick to them. These narratives that you all guys spread. What do you know I miss every day? And every minute. What do you know I miss so? What do you know? I miss so every minute and every day. You know have sense? I mean, I tell you this, you know. I tell you this. Mr. Beckford, I tell you this, plain and straight. I know your day I watch, I know one of your millions and day I watch. The best is yet to come. You're gonna mad out. Me, Roselaee, I'm gonna mad you. And you know what I got kill you in your tracks. You know I tell the people what exactly how you feel. You keep on pretending and lying to yourself. And when people hide them emotions and it kill them, they're mad. And people emotions run them slump and them brain every day make them mad. We soon say the suit say Kingston see. Line up down there. The below say unhappy. You have money unhappy. You have 300 million girl and you're still unhappy. You have 300 girl and you're still unhappy. Still worry about me, wealthy and lonely. Still worry about if man want me. Still worry about if me happy. Yes, you have 300 girl and still worry me happy. I wonder if some of the people I wonder if some of your fans them know you know. Your fans them know you know. The people them will join the box, shitty train them know you know. Part of them know too. But you know what, part of them, some of them can't speak the truth, them are gonna shame. Them see it, all of them see it. The real obsessive person here is you, Jace, because you don't got the extreme and the extreme out for me see you. Just for me to see you. Don't want you, me don't do. And at first I'm a band, I see one man who got the extreme out just to me see him there. And this just show me one side of you, I know a long time. It say if you're not happy, nobody else can be happy.
As long as you go
that
down.
That make no sense. Because everybody trying to do stuff to hurt me.
Exactly.
You're hurting your own kid. You're not
Actually,
hurting
I live on my mouth over here saying because you see either way, it not gonna make no sense. I mean, I rectify nothing to the girl and the boy over here. So, but when me up on the phone, I talk when I want to talk.
It don't make no sense.
Both heap of things I want to talk, boy, I send up some people in their mama, but you understand? But I rectify nothing, I mean, I clarify.
It doesn't make no sense. You don't need to.
It's not gonna. I told you it don't make no sense fighting with people on the internet. It doesn't make any sense.
Sometimes.
I know, but it's like it doesn't like it just makes you look bad and it's not. It's hurting your feelings. It's hurting your feelings.
No, them not care about fair feelings, my love. Them not care about fair feelings. She no human being.
Oh, she's a machine.
A robot.
Like you're just like a punching bag that's never ending. Like it doesn't make sense.
That's what she always said. God and time.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's not okay, but it is what it is. But it's not okay.
It's
Like
okay.
it's just ridiculous. Like the abuse doesn't stop.
At
Like
the
it
end of the
just
day,
doesn't stop from that one person.
at the end of the day,
It went from physical to mental
at the end
to
of the
emotional.
day, it's okay. At the end of the day, I'm gonna always be in love, and they're gonna be dying.
Love? Ah.
Your day. Say daddy. I'm gonna be in love with my daddy.
I'm okay though. We just don't need some food that upset me. Oh.
I love my daddy.
What's up, the girl? Got on eh? Hear this now.
Toto, Toto,
Yes, ma'am.
Toto,
What is this?
Toto.
Junie.
I'm talking about my baby, my man.
Yeah, that's fine. You can talk about
No,
it.
you gotta say I'm
Time.
talking about my zaddy.
I'm talking about my zaddy.
I mean, just say me just don't eat one food I don't really
No
want.
one to that. I'm talking about my zaddy.
They ain't talk about you. Whosoever you want to talk about, me just don't talk about the stew pork, me just don't eat. I didn't digest it.
Me, I follow him up.
You should have follow me. One black cloth Roselaee up and that them not like.
Don't follow him up.
One Rosa.
All of the man will take him have problems with
Yeah.
him.
But not
And them have
follow
problem
him,
with
but
me, and
why
they have
take a
problem with
boy
them.
daddy?
And them have a problem with me because they always talk about me. What do you mean by? Then all the people that over here to know about me now.
Oh, thank
But you
you,
remember the boy when he come
guys.
stone on a arm.
I don't want nobody to tell a lie for me means a decent
Cause
somebody.
you're the best.
But the night when they come stone the boy run a sent run out. How the people school him again?
Out around a Katie, I give some
Katie.
blood clots to the see. After me and the girl up on the edge, you know. And I say, just get up so without a warning. I say, no, man, I turn to Samantha. I say, no, man, Samantha, something right there, say, no. That girl you up to something, but come up and chuckle behind her, you know. I will go so I say, she turn up the road, I say, she bent so. I say, out there so dark, we're going to go out there. I say, she has started, so I say, Samantha, see there? Something not going on, we're going. I say, Juna, who this? Juna create seed. Tatawawa, one of ones in front of the boy, you know. I say, and we want the accurate excitement for me, you know, I really like excitement. Samantha come to me, Mr. State, well, pure stone out there. Pure big stone, she come on to my mama ear and, Christian, you saw Toto see me around the top.
Yeah.
The nobody else name in our mind. Christine, you saw Toto see me around the top. I stole the boy. Toto not even know if the man had this and the man had that. When I say, well, if the man had it, whatever you think it is, a pure shot to the fire. Not in the fire. So, this nobody. Yo, Tana, you don't run joke with me. But I feel like you see people you want come disrespect me and shame me. You're crazy.
They cut me, you know?
That a thing that you see here right now. Oh, Tana.
Nice.
Mr. Benny guys sit down in our little time that now, you know, because she come from town and so we sit down with normally chat and go out and say, just get up out of the blue. Mr. Samantha, this don't look right. Normally, June, I say, Toto, me I go up so me so forward and me I go around the road there so me
I
so
just see him standing shit. No
Anglia
on the phone, you know.
Mrs. She get up, Mr. Samantha, something right here, you know?
You don't know. Me, he doesn't know my style. So don't know, he know my style long
And
time
it's
from
been
morning.
it's been happening.
Yeah. Something happen, and the man do something I'm there to rescue her. You understand? Yeah.
Yeah.
Essentially, come now and she said, boy,
See him so.
somebody may come meet, but I saw his name and everything good. The girl has just him Totawa without our. You see me the man right this.
You didn't know Toto.
You know, like when you're a stalker, or like you know, like when
you was protecting her.
I do. You understand? She you know, like say somebody we a stalker, she don't want the person no more. I make the boy feel like him a things. Me say, we just strip her from him and I see one bungalow stone, pure big stone out there. I say Samantha come with took off. Zoops. Come around there, create scene for my poor man now. Christine, you see the one total come around the same with people and they don't know who is who. And a pure stone him and fling off for the man and me have to tell the man to eat. Me say what me can never tell him to come down the lane. What me can never tell him to come down the lane.
Thanks for
You're dead.
watching, guys.
Okay.
And comments below.